Creating automated YouTube shorts. From ideas to earnings. Imagine generating a monthly income of $16,000 from automated short videos on YouTube. That's exactly what this channel is doing, and their earnings could be even higher through sponsorships and more. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create your own YouTube shorts, step by step. But first, welcome to Ash Cash Tash, your destination for all things finance and investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The first thing in creating engaging YouTube shorts is gathering interesting content. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Curating a fascinating animal selection. To commence your exploration of the diverse and captivating world of animals, start by meticulously selecting a list of 10 intriguing creatures. This process begins with thorough research, where you delve into various sources such as wildlife documentaries, books, and online resources. From this research, compile a comprehensive list of animals that genuinely pique your interest. Ensure that your selection spans a broad spectrum of species, ranging from mammals and birds to reptiles, amphibians, and beyond. Step number 2. Crafting engaging descriptions. With your curated list of remarkable animals in hand, the next step is to craft engaging and informative descriptions for each of them. Here's where your creativity shines as you employ GPT's capabilities to generate brief yet captivating descriptions, each ranging from 30 to 50 words, although you have the flexibility to extend them for more depth if desired. The objective is to encapsulate the essence of each animal while highlighting intriguing and unique facts about them. Dive deep into your research to unearth fascinating details about their behavior, physical attributes, habitats, and cultural significance. In crafting these descriptions, conciseness is key. Each description should serve as a compact nugget of knowledge, leaving viewers both informed and eager to discover more. Step number 3. Copying and storing. As you meticulously craft these engaging descriptions, don't forget to copy the text to your clipboard. This crucial step ensures easy access to your well-crafted descriptions for their intended purpose. Whether it's creating educational content, sharing intriguing animal facts, or satisfying your own curiosity about the remarkable creatures that inhabit our planet. Armed with your list of fascinating animals and their captivating descriptions, you are now well prepared to embark on your next adventure in the world of wildlife exploration and storytelling. Step number 4. Accessing play.ht for text-to-audio conversion. The fourth step in this engaging process guides you to play.ht, the platform that will breathe life into your meticulously crafted text descriptions. To embark on this stage, simply follow the provided link found in the video description. Play.ht serves as your virtual companion in transforming your textual gems into captivating audio content. Step number 5. Account access. The next crucial step involves either signing in to your existing play.ht account or creating a fresh one if you're a newcomer to this platform. The process is streamlined and flexible, allowing you to use your email credentials for registration or opt for the convenience of a swift sign-up through Google. Customizing the voiceover. Creating the perfect voiceover is crucial for captivating your audience. Here's how to do it. Step number 6. Voice selection for authenticity. In the 6th step, you're presented with the option to select the ultra-realistic voice. This choice ensures that the final output maintains a high level of authenticity, crucial for captivating your audience. Step number 7. Paste your script visual. Pasting the copied script. Paste the script you copied earlier into the text box. You can customize the voice and speed as well. Step number 8. Exploring vocal options. The 8th step encourages you to explore the plethora of vocal options available. It's here that you can fine-tune your voiceover's character by experimenting with parameters such as gender, accent, age, style, and tempo. This flexibility allows you to align the audio precisely with the intended tone and atmosphere of your animal descriptions. Step number 9. Preview and download visual. Previewing and downloading the audio. Once you're satisfied, click Generate Preview. Review the voiceover. If it sounds good, click Download to save the audio as a WAV file. Video creation with Canva. With your audio ready, it's time to create your video using Canva. Here's how. Before we move on to step 10, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Step number 10. Accessing Canva for visual enhancement. In the 10th step, you'll seamlessly transition from audio creation to visual enhancement by heading to Canva. Begin by visiting the Canva platform and either logging in with your existing account or creating one if you're new to this creative space. Step 11. Step 11 invites you to initiate the visual component of your project. Inside Canva, utilize the search bar to type YouTube Shorts. Once located, select the option to create blank file. This sets the stage for you to craft the visual elements that will accompany your audio content. Step number 12. Integrating your audio. The 12th step focuses on merging your meticulously crafted audio content with the visual canvas you've prepared. To achieve this, simply upload the WAV audio file you generated earlier. This can be achieved by effortlessly dragging the file into your Canva workspace. Step number 13. Add visuals visual. Demonstrating the process of adding images and videos. Now, let's add visuals. Search for copyright-free images and videos related to your content. Pexels is a great resource for this purpose. Select the images and videos you find suitable and drag them into your Canva workspace. Step number 14. Customize visual. Adjusting the visuals to fit the audio. Arrange the images and videos to match the length of your audio. Make sure everything is in sync. Step number 15. Add background music visual. Exploring YouTube's audio library. To enhance your video, add background music. Canva provides access to YouTube's audio library, where you can find a variety of free tracks. Choose one that fits your content and drag it into your project. Step number 16. Export the video visual. Exporting the final video. Once you're satisfied with your creation, export the video. Download it as an MP4 file. Adding auto-generated subtitles. To make your content more accessible and engaging, you'll need subtitles. Here's how to add them. Step number 17. Use vid.io visual. Accessing vid.io. Visit vid.io, which is a valuable tool for adding auto-generated subtitles to your video. Create a project and upload your video. Step number 18. Generate subtitles visual. Demonstrating the process of generating subtitles. Select subtitles, then choose auto subtitle. This feature supports over 100 languages. Generate the subtitles for your video. Step number 19. Review and edit visual. Reviewing and editing subtitles. Play your video to review the auto-generated subtitles. If necessary, make adjustments to ensure accuracy. Step number 20. Export the video visual. Exporting the video with subtitles. Once you're satisfied with the subtitles, export the video with the embedded subtitles. Congratulations! You've created an engaging YouTube short with voiceover, visuals, and subtitles. Your content is ready to be shared with the world. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. Thank you for joining us today on your financial journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a financial update. Until next time, see you later.